Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online classes. In today's video, we will revise chapter 1 again, knowing our numbers, because in the previous video we covered some of the topics, and in today's video we will cover the rest of the topics. Now, the first topic is rounding off to nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, tens and 10,000. Now, so the first question is rounding off to the nearest 10. So while rounding off to the nearest 10, you will look at the digit in ones place. So here comes the first question, 456. Now see, look at the digit in ones place. It is 6. Now if the digit in ones place is 5, equal to 5 or greater than 5, then you will increase the digit in tens place by 1, and if the digit in ones place is less than 5, then the digit in tens place will remain as it is. Now here, look at the digit in ones place, it is 6. So 6 greater than 5, so that is why you will increase 5 by 1 and you will replace the digit in ones place by 0. So the required answer is 460. Now the B part is 7861. Again, look at the digit in ones place, it is 1 less than 5, so that is why 6 will remain as it is and you will replace 1 by 0. So the required answer is 7861. Now the second question is round off to the nearest 100. So while rounding off to the nearest 100, you will look at the digit in tens place. Now the first question is 5857. Now look at the digit in tens place, it is 5. So it is equal to 5. So that is why 8 you will increase 8 by 1 and you will replace the digit in tens place and the digit in ones place by 0. So 8 will be increased by 1. So the required answer is 5900. Now the B part is 7673. Now again, look at the digit in tens place, it is 7 greater than 5. So that is why you will increase 6 by 1 and you will replace the digit in tens place and ones place by 0. So the required answer is 7700. Now the next question is round off to the nearest 1000. So while rounding off to the nearest 1000, you will look at the digit in 100 place. Now the first question is 79,476. So look at the digit in 100 place. It is 4 less than 5. So 9 will remain as it is and you will replace the digit in 100 place, tens place and ones place by 0. So the required answer is 79,000. Now the next part is 67,895. Now again, look at the digit in hundreds place, it is 8 greater than 5. So you will increase 7 by 1 and you will replace 895 by 0. So the required answer is 68,000. Now the next question is round off to the nearest 10,000. Now look at, while rounding off to the nearest 10,000, you will look at the digit in thousands place. Now the A part is 8,48,765. So look at the digit in thousands place, it is 8. So greater than 5, so you will increase 4 by 1. So the required answer will be, and you will replace the digits in thousand place, 100 place, tens place and ones place by 0. So the required answer is 8,50,000. Now the B part is 7,24,567. Now look at the digit in thousands place, it is 4 less than 5, so 2 will remain as it is and you will replace the digits 4, 5, 6, 7 by 0. So the required answer is 7,20,000. Now estimate the difference to the nearest 1000. Now in this question, what you have to find out? You have to find out the difference by estimating. Now again, for doing the estimation, we will round off the numbers. Now the A part is 85,432 minus 45,371. Now round off. For rounding off to the nearest 1000, what you will see? You will see the digit in 100 place. So what is the digit in the 100 place? In 85,432, 4. So 5 will remain as it is. So it will be 85,000 minus, then look at the digit in 100 place, 3. less than 5, so 5 will remain as it is, so it will be 45,000. So 85,000 minus 45,000 will be 40,000. Now the B part is 9,300 minus 6,512. Now again round off to the nearest thousand. For rounding off to the nearest thousand, what we will see? We will see the digit in 100 place. It is 3 here, so 9 will remain as it is, so it will be 9,000 minus in 6,512 it is 5. The digit in 100 place is 5, so 6 will increase by 1, so it will become 7,000. So 9,000 minus 7,000 will be 2,000. So 2,000 is the required answer here. Now the third question is estimate the difference to the nearest thousand. Find the actual difference. Now firstly what you have to do, पहले हमें difference find out करना है estimation की help से, then हमें actual difference find out करना है. So the first question is 56,726 and 62,540. Now first of all find the difference. Now 62,540 rounded off, what you will see the digit in 100 place. It is 5, so 2 will be increased by 1, so it will become 63,000. Now minus, now in 56,726, see the digit in 100 place, it is 7 greater than 5, so you will increase 6 by 1, so it will become 57,000. So 63,000 minus 57,000 becomes 6,000. Now you will find out the actual difference. Now while finding out the actual difference, जब आप actual difference find out करोगे तो आपको round off करना नहीं है. Okay, you will not round off the numbers. So simply subtract the numbers. 62,540 minus 56,726. What you will get? 5,814. Now comparing numbers. There are two rules for comparing numbers. The rule 1 is if the number of digit is different in the numbers. अगर कोई भी number given है और उसमें number of digits different है, then the number having more digit is greater. तो जिस भी number में ज़्यादा digits होंगी, that number will be the greater number. Now let me explain you an example here. 72,376 and 7,539. Now count the number of digits in the first number. How many digits are there? 5. And count the number of digits in the second number. How many digits are there? 4. So which number has greater number of digits? 72,376. So this is the greater number. Now the rule 2. If the number of digits are same, पहला rule तो ये था अगर digits number में जितनी भी digits given है वो different हो. Like पहला एग्जाम्पल मैंने दिया आपको, उसमें पहले वाले नंबर में 5 डिजिट्स थे और सेकेंड वाले नंबर में 4 डिजिट्स थे. तो सिंपली यू कंपेयर द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स एंड यू गॉट द आंसर. नाउ इन द सेकेंड रूल, इफ द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स आर सेम, अगर डिजिट्स सेम हो तो देन स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग द डिजिट्स फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. देन यू हैव टू कंपेयर द डिजिट्स फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. नाउ लेट अस सी एन एग्जाम्पल हियर. 4,58,992 and 4,45,349. Now you can see the number of digits in the first number are 6 and in the second number is also 6. Okay, that means the number of digits in both the numbers are same. Now start comparing the digits from left to right. Now see here, 4 in the first number, the first digit is 4, and in the second number also first digit is 4, so equals. Now in the first number the second digit is 5 and in the second number the second digit is 4. So which digit is greater? 5. So that is why 4,58,992 is greater than 4,45,349. Now the next topic is Roman numbers. Now we are having I, V, X, L, C, D, M, and the values are I. The value of I is 1, the value of V is 5, the value of X is 10, the value of L is 50, the value of C is 100, the value of D is 500, and the value of M is 1000. You all should learn the value of the Roman numbers first of all. Now the first question is write the following Roman numbers in Hindu Arabic numeral. Now L, X, I, V. So L stands for 50. I stands for 10 and IV stands for 4. So 50 plus 10 plus 4 is equal to 64. then C, D, L, X, V. So CD. Okay, while explaining the chapter earlier in detail, I have explained you all the rules. So there's a rule that when a smaller symbol is on the left of a larger symbol, we subtract the value of the smaller symbol from the larger symbol. So 500 minus 100, we have subtracted the value of C from the value of D. Now L stands for 50, so plus 50, plus X stands for 10, so plus 10, and then V plus 5. So what is the value here? 465. Now the second question is, write the following Hindu-Arabic numerals in Roman numerals. Now 985. Now first of all, write this number in the expanded form, so it will be easier for you to write the Hindu-Arabic numeral in Roman numeral. Now 900 plus 80 plus 5. Now how to write 900? CM. 80, how you will write? L, X, 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 and then 5, V. Now the B part is 489. Again write this number in the expanded form. 400 plus 80 plus 9. Now how you will write 400? CD. Plus 80, so how you will write 80? L, X, 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 and 9, IX. So the required answer is CDLXXXIX. Now I am going to explain you a word problem here. Rohit purchases 49 pencils, each costing rupees 12, 27 rubbers, each costing rupees 8, and 15 sharpeners, each costing rupees. What is the total amount required by Raju to buy the above items? Now the solution. The cost of one pencil here, Rohit, he purchases 49 pencils, each costing rupees 12. That means the cost of one pencil is what? Rupees 12. So the cost of 49 pencils will be rupees 12 into 49, that is rupees 588. You have studied the unitary method. This question is based on unitary method. Now 27 rubbers, each costing rupees 8. That means the cost of one rubber is rupees 8. So the cost of 27 rubbers will be 8 into 27, that is 206. Then 15 sharpeners, each costing rupees 10. That means the cost of one sharpener is rupees 10. The cost of 15 sharpeners will be rupees 10 into 15, that is rupees 150. Now you have to find out the total amount required by Raju to buy the above item. So the total money required is rupees, you will add all the cost of 49 pencils plus the cost of 27 rubbers plus cost of 15 sharpeners, that is rupees 588 plus rupees 216 plus rupees 150. The required answer is rupees 950